What a gorgeous Wednesday afternoon. We are over at the Percy Julian High School checking on the progress of the construction over there. It's April the 1st, 2026, and I thought I would do an update since it's been a couple of weeks since I was over there, and it looks like they've made a lot of progress. So sit back and relax and enjoy this short video, an update of that gorgeous facility over there. We got the crane in place there to put the steel beams in place. Looks like they've got the second floor poured, and they're coming right along. It's going to be a gorgeous campus, a great addition to East Montgomery. Going to gain a little altitude here so that we can give you an idea of what the surrounding area around the high school looks like. Again, this is located off the Eastern Bypass near the Lagoon Park area in East Montgomery. And there you see the bypass in the upper left portion of your screen there. And it's near the Gunner Industrial Park. Come around, you'll be able to see the RSA Tower along the horizon, off in the distance. What a great addition to the city of Montgomery. Anyway, if you like this video, please hit the like button. Also, hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you can see future videos. Anyway, thank you so much for watching.